record on this computer.
Sir, homework sums வந்து 2 sums தான் சார் பண்ணேன்.
ஏமா
மீதி எல்லாம் எப்படி பண்ணதுன்னு தெரியல சார், கன்ஃபியூஸ்.
ஆமா சார், நானும் 2 தான் சார் பண்ணேன்.
அப்படியே
ஸ்டக் ஆகி நிக்குது சார். அதான் சப்மிட்டே பண்ணாம வச்சிருக்கேன் சார்.
நானும் அதான் பார்த்தேன், என்னவா சப்மிட் பண்ணல, நீ சப்மிட் பண்ணல, மிஸ் ஹரிப்ரியா வந்து பிஸியா இருக்காங்க, அவங்களும் சப்மிட் பண்ணல.
அந்த 2 क्वेश्चंस சால்வ் பண்ண சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
சார் நான் சப்மிட் பண்ணேன் சார்.
ரீனா நீங்க பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? அத இப்பதான் சப்மிட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க கரெக்ட்டா?
சார் நான் ஒரு 10 மினிட்ஸ் முன்னாடி பண்ணேன் சார்.
நான் பண்ணல சார்.
நீங்க பண்ணலையா? ரைட் மா. So first of all we'll clear your doubts. Okay. So அந்த doubts வந்து clarify பண்ணிட்டு problems then we'll discuss. இதுமா நேத்து
எக்ஸாம்பிள் 19 அது இன்னொரு தடவை கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்றீங்களா சார்?
எக்ஸாம்பிள் 19 எக்ஸாம்பிள் 19 என்னதுமா அது? क्वेश्चन ஒரு தடவை படி. I just want to check. Gravitation gravity base பண்ணியா? Is it related to gravity or what? Rahul?
Gravity இல்ல சார் அது.
Okay, அந்த sprinter athlete அதானே?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, I'll
1500 meters நோடு.
Okay, actually நான் வெளிய இருக்கேன். Okay, so என்னோட வாய்ஸ் கிளியரா இருக்கா?
Clear இருக்கு சார்.
Okay, right. I'll read the question. இல்லனா நான் question display பண்ணிடுறேன். So then we'll discuss. So first of all நம்ம வந்து problems clear பண்ணிடலாம். Okay, and after that we'll discuss about the graphs today. So full வந்து displacement versus time, acceleration versus time and velocity versus time. எல்லா graphs step by step நான் explain பண்றேன். நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. And as well as இந்த class வந்து நான் record பண்றேன். I'll share in the app itself. Okay. I'll display the PDF. Just one second.
Sir, I have a doubt in those problems you gave yesterday, sir.
Yeah, I'll clear it. Pritham, I'll clear it everything. So first of all, Rahul okay. He said he has signed out in last class problem. I clear it first, then I'll solve the homework sums. Okay. So example 19, Rahul.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, now display பண்றேன், ஒரு தடவை check பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Is it visible?
Yes sir.
Good. Okay. So I'll read the question. An athlete runs a distance of 1500 meters in the following manner. Starting from rest, he accelerates himself uniformly at 2 meters per second square till he covers a distance of 900 meters. He then runs the remaining distance of 600 meters at the uniform speed developed. Calculate the time taken by the athlete to cover the 2 parts of the distance covered. Also find the time when he is at the center of the track. So இங்க வந்து 3 to 4 questions வந்து mix ஆயிருக்கு. First of all, we need to find the time durations here. Okay. So for that, what I'll do, நான் first வந்து picture draw பண்றேன், then we'll discuss. So in this case, if you see there, I'll explain slightly. I'll close it. Yeah. Here also I'll close it. So just try to understand this. So an athlete runs a distance of 1500 meters and so it starts from the A point and it ends to the B point. So A point and the B point, so the total distance covered is 1500 meters. Okay, in the following manner, they have given the steps here. First one, starting from the rest, he is at rest condition. They are clearly given u is equal to 0. Okay, he accelerates, okay, from the rest condition, A is equal to 2 meters per second square. Okay, so and he accelerates and covers a distance of 900 meters. Remember, he covers a distance of 900 meters. Assume this is your 900 meters distance. Okay, this is 900 meters. I'll take this point as C point. So A point and the C point, the total distance is 900 meters. And the balance is C point to B point, the distance is 600 meters. Is there any doubt? And the total distance is 1500. Okay, now what he said that, so till C point, that is your till 900 meters, he has its own acceleration. Okay, and after this, he is moving with a constant velocity, that is your uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. When there is a uniform velocity, here we are not going to discuss about the acceleration part, remember it. Okay, one by one we'll discuss it. So in a cases and a problem. So what I'll do, first of all, I need to find the time duration. time duration for the first case. First case another, it travels a distance of 0 to 900 meters. 0 to 900 meters. Let's see what are the data are there. So initial velocity u is equal to 0 because it is at rest condition. Acceleration it is 2 meter per second square. And we know that there will be having some time period. So we don't know what is the time period. We are going to find it. I'll take this time period as t1. A point and the C point. I'll take the time period as t1. Okay. So I know the displacement. So S1 is equal to 900 meters. Okay. Do we know the velocity? We don't know the velocity. So we need to find the time period and we need to find the velocity. How to find the time period first? What is the relation? Or how to find the velocity? What is the relation? Tell me.
Sir, for velocity, sir, v is equal to v squared minus u square is
Yes,
equal to a,
correct.
sir.
Good, good.
And
V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here u is equal to 0, so v square is equal to 2as. So we know that a is equal to your 2, s is equal to your 900, okay, and v, it is square root. Okay, now when you solve it, what is the value? It is around 60 meter per second, correct? This is your velocity. Now we need to find the time period. What is the time period, ma?
Time period is 30 seconds, sir.
Yes, ma. What is the relation? V is equal to u plus at. Now we got the final velocity. We can able to find the time period. So t is equal to v minus u divided by a. We solve it. It is 60 by 2 is equal to 30 seconds. We got the first value. Okay, remember. So total time period on the A point and the C point on the total 900 meters. Okay, A point and the C point on the total 900 meters. Okay, now we need to find C point to B point. C point and the P point on the now find out one. C point and the B point. But before C point to B point, there is one more thing. In our question, what is that question? I need to find the time duration for the first half and as well as the second half. First half, the total displacement is 750 meters. Okay, so we need to find the time duration. I'll take it as a TA because it is your half. So I need to find the time period for 750 meters. After finding 750 meters time period, now on the 750 meters time period, the 900 meters time period, now remove it. Let's see that. So you need to find the time period for 750 meters. So the displacement, I'll take it as S as 750, and either a velocity same or acceleration same or A is equal to 2 meter per second. Okay, A is equal to 2 meter per second. Now we need to find the time period. Velocity velocity constant, uniform velocity, which is 60. So the displacement is S is equal to your ut plus S is equal to your V minus U. V is equal to U plus AT relation. Time period na find out. Okay, this is case. And there is one more thing. One more stuff is it. So here we need to find S is equal to ut plus half AT square. In the relation na panla. So in the relation la formulas எது வேணாலும் இருக்கட்டும், it doesn't matter. நீங்க find out பண்றது தான் related. Okay, you can use your v square minus u square is equal to s, or you can use your with respect to time period. So here in this case, now the time period now find out பண்ணனும்னா, so yes, we know that s is equal to 750, which is equal to u initial velocity is 0 and half acceleration of the 2, it is a t square. So if we solve it, the time period will be around t is equal to 27.4 seconds. T is equal to 27.4 seconds. This is your relation. So for the first half, this is your time period. Rahul, purida, either doubt irukka? Okay, now we need to find the balance 600 meters time period. So on the balance 600 meters, now they have given the velocity. What is the velocity? Velocity is equal to 60 meter per second. Velocity is equal to 60 meter per second. Now I'm going to close it. So let's see that. So இங்க velocity 60 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. With the same 60 velocity, and the object and the person he is traveling 600 meters again. So they have given the velocity. We know the velocity. We know the displacement. We can directly find the time period. What is the relation? Velocity is equal to displacement by time period. What is the displacement? 600 meters. What is the time period? We don't know. So we know the velocity is 60. So time period is equal to 600 divided by 60. 0 times it is 10. So t is equal to your 10 seconds. Okay. So in the time period, I'll take the t2. புரியுதா உனக்கு? So now the first half of find out பண்ற time period. So first 900 meters க்கு time period I know. So next 600 meters க்கு time period. Clear? Any doubts so far?
Sir, for the velocity for the second one, is it 48.9, sir?
Which one, ma?
Velocity for the second one for 600 meters.
No, velocity is 60 only. Velocity won't change at all. Velocity won't change at all. In the question, they have given that the person travels with a uniform velocity. Whatever the velocity he gained in first case, with the same velocity he is traveling in the second case also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't get confused, please. Okay, Rahul, eda doubt irukku kelunga.
இல்ல சார் கிளியர் சார்.
Right. Okay, Preetham, Haripriya.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So we'll see the next question. So unga homework questions, doubts in the kelunga.
Sir, I don't understand. I got very confused, sir. First three problems only I tried to do it, sir.
You got very confused in relationship.
I got stuck.
You got stuck. Yuck. Yuck. What is Preetham? You are not doing the sums then. Okay, I'll solve it then.
I tried, sir. I tried,
Okay, then no issues. I'll solve it.
sir,
I'll
but
just.
I wasn't able to complete.
You are not able to complete it.
Yes.
So I'll try it. I'll help you there. Let me
Okay,
get the questions first, then we'll discuss. எனக்கு சீரியல் நம்பர் சொல்றீங்களா क्वेश्चंस இது?
5 அப்புறம் இருக்குது சார். 5 வந்து 6 7 8 சார்.
Okay, any doubt in the third question?
சார்,
சார் தேர்ட் क्वेश्चन கொஞ்சம் சால்வ் பண்றீங்களா சார்?
என்னடா ஹோம்வொர்க் தான்டா கொடுக்குறேன். எனக்கு நீங்க ஹோம்வொர்க் கொடுக்குறீங்க.
சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
ஹோம்வொர்க் பண்ணுங்கடா, எல்லாமே நானே பண்றேங்க.
சார், actually from second itself I am not able to understand. I tried similarly in online. I tried to replicate and I got answers, sir. I copied the method, but I did all by myself, sir.
Okay, good. You did all by yourself then. Super man.
But the method only I saw in the internet, sir.
Okay, right. I will try to understand your third case then. Okay. So, okay, Preetham, how to solve the third one? Have you gone through it?
Third one, sir. I've done, sir. For third one, sir. The rocket one, sir.
Rocket one. Illada, enge irukela. From the top of a multi-storied building, 39.2 meters tall, a boy projects a stone vertically upwards with an initial velocity of 9.8 meter per second, such that it finally drops to the ground. When will the stone reach the ground? When it passes the point of projection, what will be its velocity before striking the ground? Okay, so Selvi, நீங்க பண்ணீங்களா இந்த question?
இல்ல சார், இந்த क्वेश्चन பண்ணல சார்.
Okay, Haripriya, நீங்க?
Sir, what is the problem is I did not know what formula to use for the equations, sir. That is very difficult to choose, sir.
Okay, Haripriya, how to solve this sum? Third one, can you please tell me, ma? How to solve this? You can talk, right? Find the first, find now. Okay. Okay, right. So, Rahul, how did you solve it? எப்படி ட்ரை பண்ணீங்க நீங்க அது சொல்லுங்க.
தேர்ட் நான் சால்வ் பண்ணலையே சார்.
ஃபுல்லா பண்ணலையா? Okay, right. So first of all, we'll try to understand the question. From the top of a multi-story building, okay, 39.2 meters tall, 39.2 meters tall. This is your height of the building, H. It is a 39.2 meters tall. Okay, a boy projects a stone vertically upward with an initial velocity. So he is projecting the stone initially with a velocity 9.8 meter per second. It is your initial velocity u. Okay, so that it finally drops on the ground. Like this. Okay, so now, so when will the stone reach the ground? So we need to find the total time period t. Okay, if you remember that I gave you the relation, right? Displacement s is equal to your minus h and சொல்லிட்டு ஞாபகம் இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு? We know the h here. ஒரு question நம்ம பண்ணியிருக்கோம், ஞாபகம் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. So s plus h is equal to the total displacement is 0. So s is equal to minus h and சொல்லிட்டு நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். and when he thrown upward direction அதோட acceleration வந்து minus g ஆகும். So s is equal to ut minus half gt square. Correct? So from this relation, try to find t ma. This is your first case. நீங்க அப்புறமா பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறமா later you can do it. You can take it down. Later you can do it. Okay, this is your first case. So when will it pass through the point of projection? When will it pass through the point of projection? Okay, so remember through the point of projection, this is your maximum point. So now already சொல்லிட்டேன் time of ascent. When the object is moving from bottom to top, we call it as time of ascent and சொல்லிருக்கேன். Time of ascent. And down, time of descent. Time of ascent and time of descent. Okay, remember it. When it is reaching the maximum point, that is your projected point, maximum point, after that what will happen? It will fall. So whatever the total time period is there, t by 2 is your second answer. T by 2 is your second answer. இங்க வந்த time period அதுல half the second answer. Okay, so let's see the third one. Third one என்ன கொடுத்திருக்க, what will be its velocity before striking the ground? What will be its velocity before striking the ground? So we are going to find the velocity with which it is moving. So you can assume when it is reaching the maximum point, u is equal to 0 and acceleration வந்து plus g ஆகும். Acceleration வந்து plus g ஆகும். You already know the maximum point. Time duration தெரியும். Time duration என்னது 0 நந்து இந்த பாயிண்ட்க்கு the time period will be there. This is your half time period, t by 2. Okay, so எனக்கு time தெரியும் and as well as எனக்கு acceleration தெரியும், that is equal to plus g. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. I don't know the displacement. Okay, no need of this displacement. Now I need to find your velocity with which the object is moving. So initial velocity இருக்கு, acceleration இருக்கு, time period இருக்கு. You can use v is equal to u plus at relation and you can able to find the thing. Clear? This is a direct question. இதுல என்ன confusion இருக்கு? Okay, so try to solve it now, not now, later. சொல்லுங்க.
Sir, the point of projection and the meaning
Point of project என்னன்னா, point of projection என்னன்னா the maximum point. When it passes, see, if you see that now our object on the upward direction நான் throw பண்றேன், it is creating a curve, correct? It is creating a curve. So after reaching the maximum point, what will happen? It will fall down, correct? And the curve we call it as projectile motion. That is your projectile. Okay, so here when it passes through the point of projection, the point of projection, the maximum point projection ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் when it falling down, we need to find the time period. Okay, other time period of the t is equal to half time period. Other time period. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Preetham, tell me.
Sir, what formula should I use for the question asked, sir? Whenever I put, whenever they are asking distance, I put yes, but it is not coming as the correct answer, sir.
Can you repeat again?
Sir, for the same question, sir.
Yeah.
Here, sorry, not same question. The second question.
Okay.
The distance is actually I found what they've asked, but it is not coming as the same answer. But how to approach a sum I'm asking, sir?
In this case, in this question or what?
Any question related to.
Okay, remember any question, try to understand one thing. Like we'll take this example. This same question, we'll take the example here. In this case, so I'm going to split the concepts. Correct? Now the terms வந்து நான் தனித்தனியா split பண்ணிருக்கேன். Like for example, first case என்னன்னா, we need to find the time period. Time period எனக்கு நான் find out பண்ணனும்னா இதுல acceleration இருக்கா, displacement இருக்கா, velocity இருக்கா, okay, வேற ஏதாவது terms இருக்கா, height இருக்கா, ஏதாவது terms இருக்கானா I'm going to segregate it. So அதுக்கு ரிலேட்டடா ஏதாவது ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செக் பண்றேன். நம்மளுக்கு இருந்து மூணே ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் தான். So one v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2s. The மூணு ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் வந்து தான் we are going to segregate it. That's it. Okay. First given data என்ன இருக்கோ அது பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் we are going to find it. புரியுதா? Just go in a step by step manner. Don't jump it directly. நான் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கு, நான் டைரக்டா சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ண உடனே எனக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். Don't think like that. Okay. All are indirect questions only. You have to go whatever the data they have given to you. Okay, just remember it. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So fourth question we'll see. Rahul, fourth question doubt irukka?
இல்ல சார், சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார்.
Super ma. Fourth question answer என்ன சொல்லுங்க. Reena, நீங்க
36.4 km sir.
So correct ma. Super. Haripriya, பண்ணிட்டீங்க. Selvi, Preetham.
Sir, I've solved it, sir, but didn't understand the concept, sir.
Okay, fourth one, ma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see the relations here. So fourth one, I'll explain it. A rocket is fired vertically. A rocket is fired vertically from the ground with a resultant velocity. Okay, resultant vertical acceleration of 10 meter per second square. The fuel is finished in 1 minute, and it continues to move up. What is the maximum height reached? Okay, simple as that. I'll explain it. So in this case, a rocket is fired vertically and சொல்றோம். Rocket is fired vertically from the ground. Ground வந்து rocket வந்து fired vertically upward direction with a resultant velocity, vertical acceleration. They have given the vertical acceleration. So that is a 10 meter per second square. Okay, so 10 meter per second square here. 1 second. Okay, so the fuel is finished in 1 minute. So when he's accelerating, the fuel got finished in 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute on the fuel on the complete fuel got over. Though fuel got over, remember, though fuel got over, the object trying to move again continuously. Okay, it is moving continuously even though the fuel got over because it has its own initial velocity. Okay, with which it is moving. Right? This is the question. So இங்க வந்து fuel complete ஆனாலும் இந்த object வந்து move ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு upward direction. The total height we need to find it. That's it. Direct question. Preetham?
Sir, rocket வந்து விழாதா sir groundல 1 minute fuel full ஆயிடுச்சு
இது வந்து பவர் ஸ்டார் ராக்கெட்மா, ஸோ அதனால வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸி ஆகாது. இட் வில் டேக் டைம். நம்மளுக்கு அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது. ஸோ வில் கோ வித் த கேசஸ் இட் செல்ஃப். ஓகே, ஸோ தே ஹேவ் கிவன் த கேஸ். அது வந்து ராக்கெட் விழுந்துடும், எந்த வீட்டில் விழும், எங்க வீட்டில் விழுமா, இல்லை உங்க வீட்டில் விழுமா, இல்லை ராகுல் வீட்டில் விழுமா. ஸோ வில் டிஸ்கஸ் லேட்டர். ஓகே, ரைட்? டோன்ட் திங்க் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஸ்டஃப் எது இருக்கோ அது வந்து நம்மளுக்கு தேவையில்லை. எதுக்குன்னா வாட் ஆர் த கொஸ்டின் தே ஹேவ் கிவன், வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு சால்வ் இட் வித் த ரிலேஷன்ஸ் விச் யூ லேர்ன்ட் இட். தட்ஸ் இட். ஓகே, ஓகே Preetham?
Okay sir, okay
right,
sir.
Right. Okay, any other question?
Sir, no sir.
Okay, Rahul, Rina?
டவுட் எதுவும் இல்லை சார். சார் ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ரொஜெக்ஷன் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் இருக்கு சார். அதுல வந்து எல்லா கேஸ்லயுமே T/2 தான் எடுத்துக்கணும் சார்.
எந்த கொஸ்டின் சொல்றீங்க?
தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின்.
தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து எல்லாமே T/2 எடுக்க கூடாது. ஹாஃப் பார்ட்னா T/2 எடுக்கணும், ஃபுல் போர்ஷன்னா Tn எடுக்கணும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே சார்.
தேர்ட் கேஸ்ல வந்து ஜஸ்ட் டேக் T/2. தட்ஸ் இட்.
ஓகே,
ரைட். செல்வி, டவுட் இருக்கா?
No.
Okay, good. Haripriya? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll see a problem on this case. ஒரு சின்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு, ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் இது. First we'll complete the problem, then we'll go to the graph center. Okay, so take this question. Example 32. Hope you know this question, but still we'll see. Example 32. Let's take the question. So two balls are thrown simultaneously, a vertical upwards with a speed of 20 meters per second from the ground, and B vertically downwards from a height of 40 meters with the same speed and along the same line of motion. At what point does the two balls collide? So in the point in the two balls collide, we are going to find it. Okay, right. ஓகே செல்வி, நோ இஷ்யூஸ், அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நான் எப்படியே கிளாஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஜஸ்ட் கோ த்ரூ இட். தட்ஸ் இட்.
Sir, I don't know sir.
Preetham, are you talking?
Yes sir, I don't know sir.
Okay, I'll help you with that. So try to understand the question first, Pritham. Don't get confused and don't get எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் ஆகாது, இதுல ரொம்ப ஈஸி கொஸ்டின் தான். Okay.
Okay.
So in this question, just try to understand that there are 2 balls are there. Okay, split the question. நீ வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னா அந்த கொஸ்டின் வந்து போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் பண்ணிடணும். MBBS ஆகுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி போஸ்ட்மார்ட்டம் பண்ணிட்டு ஜஸ்ட் பிச்சு எடுத்துட்டு என்னென்ன டேட்டாஸ் இருக்கு அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி வந்து we have to go in detail about that and you have to move faster. நீ வந்து நோட்ஸ்ல வந்து it is not a descriptive test, so you have to take that stuff in detail and exactா உனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னா ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்கணும், ஃபாஸ்டா ஆக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அண்ட் இது ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப்பா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப் அந்த மாதிரி போகாது. whatever you know, try to understand and try to solve it, even if it is mistake, no issues. Okay, right. So I'll try to understand this one. So in this case, there are 2 balls are there. Just try to see. Rendu balls irukku. Okay, I'm going to split the stuff. So chinna chinna bit by bit நான் split பண்றேன். ரெண்டு balls இருக்கு. Simultaneously moving. Okay, ரெண்டு balls வந்து நான் throw பண்ணிருக்கேன் simultaneously. Ball A vertically upwards. Ball A vertically upwards. Okay, sorry, and ball B vertically downwards. So ரெண்டு balls இருக்கு like this. So I'll take the stuff like this. So ball A இருக்கு and ball B இருக்கு. So ball A vertically upward direction. In the direction of ball A போயிட்டு and ball B vertically downward direction simultaneously and the same line of motion. ஒரே லைன்ல தான் இருக்கு. Okay, and what they have given, ball A ஓட velocity வந்து 20 meter per second கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இதோட initial velocity வந்து I'll take it as u. U வந்து 20 meter per second. And ball B வந்து and okay from the ground and with a speed from the ground and B vertically downwards and height வந்து from a height of 40 meters with the same speed. So height வந்து 40 meters கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And both are traveling with the same speed. So here also u is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay, so with the same line of motion, same speed, same line of motion. At what points do the 2 balls collide? So in the point la rendu balls வந்து collide ஆகும். In the point la rendu balls collide ஆகும். I'll take this stuff as total distance வந்து 40. You may have seen this type of questions. நீங்க வந்து எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக்ஸ்ல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. இதுல நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து I'll take as x. அப்ப பேலன்ஸ் வந்து I'll take as 40 minus x. So here what we need to find, we are going to find x. Now clear, Pritham?
Okay, sir.
Right, good. So first we're going to split it. I told you, right, we are going to split it. So நம்ம வந்து பிச்சை எடுத்துலாம் இது. So first one a ball பார்க்கலாம். I'll take a ball. A ball வந்து it is moving upward direction. When it is moving upward direction என்னென்ன டேட்டா இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So u is equal to your 20 meter per second. Acceleration வந்து minus g because it is upward direction, so it is minus 9.8. And இதோட displacement வந்து when it is reaching, that is after reaching the point, and the reaching point வந்து displacement வந்து s is equal to your 40 minus x. Okay, for the a part. Okay, and எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னா I need to find x. அவ்வளவுதான், இதுதான் டேட்டா இருக்கு, வேற எதுவுமே இல்லை. B ball பார்க்கலாம். B ball வந்து it is moving downward direction. When it is moving downward direction, acceleration is plus 9.8 meter per second square, or you can take 10 also. And initial velocity u is equal to 20 meter per second, and displacement they have given it as x. The ரெண்டு stuffs. Now we have to take the relations. So இங்க ரிலேஷன்ஸ்ல வந்து I need to find the time duration. டைம் இல்லைன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு ரிலேட் பண்ணணும். டைம் ஏதாவது ரிலேட் பண்ணாதான் I can able to find it. So இங்க வந்து டைம் பீரியட் தெரியாது. Okay, x value தெரியாது. Okay, so when you solve it, it will be like an equation. Now the equation solve panna, I can able to find the x value directly. Okay, so to do that, what I'll do, I'll take the relation like this. First of all, a alpha. We'll take a here. We'll try to understand here. So a case la, I told you, right, s is equal to ut plus half at square. I'll take the relation for a ball. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So in this case, s is equal to 40 minus x. I told you s is equal to your 40 minus x is equal to your u. What is u here? U is equal to 20. Time period and period, and acceleration is minus g, and height is minus half. I'll take it as 10 for my convenience. Now the 10 into t square. This is 5 times side. Okay, so it is a 20t minus 5t square is equal to, sorry, is equal to 40 minus x. Okay, this is your relation. So in the case la vandu what I'll do, I'll take this one as first equation. I'll take this one as first equation. இப்போ வந்து I'll take b. b எனக்கு நான் வந்து என்னன்னா acceleration வந்து பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கு, u இருக்கு. So same relation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, so u s என்னது x, u என்னது 20 t plus, so I'll take it as 10 ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். It is 5 t square. I'll take this one as second equation. இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்னா ரெண்டுமே சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, ரெண்டு சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு try to find time period here. டைம் பீரியட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க. டைம் பீரியட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா try to find your x value from this relation. Pritam, புரியுதா? Do it, ma.
Sir.
Any doubt, let me know.
No, sir.
151 meters. ஹரிப்யா 150 meters வந்து உங்க வீட்டுக்கு எங்க வீட்டுக்கு டிஸ்டன்ஸ் அது. சரியா? 151 meters கிடையாது. Total distance between the two objects வந்து yes 15.1. So total distance வந்து 40 meters இங்க. So it should not be more than that. Right? செல்வி பண்ணுங்க, ராகுல் ரீனா try it.
Sir, x is 20, sir.
X is 20, yeah? No, my x is not 20. Check it again. T is equal to n. Yes, ma. Super Selvi, correct. T is equal to 1. Rahul, doubt irka? Pritam, பண்றீங்களா?
Sir, 20 into 1 minus t is equal to x, sir.
20 into 1 minus t is equal to x. என்ன பிரீத்தம் பண்றீங்க? அது வந்து ஈக்குவேஷனே வராது பிரீத்தம் அப்படி பண்ணா. Okay,
Sir,
right. I'll do it பிரீத்தம். ஒரு தடவை செக் பண்ணிக்கோ. ரெண்டு ஈக்குவேஷன் இது வரைக்கும் ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா?
no, sir. Equation I got it, sir.
Right, man. Good. Now I'll solve these two equations. நான் எப்படி சால்வ் பண்றேன்னா எனக்கு வந்து t வேல்யூ வேணும், x வேல்யூ கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். So ரெண்டு எனக்கு தெரியாது. I don't know these two stuffs. So for that, what I'll do, one I have to cancel it out. Then only I can able to find one relation. So what I'll do, so இங்க வந்து 5t square இருக்கு, இங்க வந்து 5t square இருக்கு. One வந்து plus இருக்கு, one வந்து minus இருக்கு. For that, what I'll do, I'll add the two equations. 1 plus 2 is 40 minus x is equal to 20t minus 5t square. And same thing, x is equal to 20t plus 5t square. When you add these two, both will get cancelled. Here also cancel. So 40 is equal to addition, dane. 40 is equal to 40t. Then you cancel agma. T is equal to 1 seconds. Is it hard, Pritam?
No, sir. I took
Okay.
0 x, sir.
We should not take like this, Pritam. Okay. Now we got the time period. Just substitute in either equations. So I'll substitute in second equation. Substitute in second equation. So x is equal to 20, t is equal to 1 plus 5. So x is equal to, it is around 25. Why 25 எனக்கு வந்திருக்குன்னா, because I took your relation, that is your g value வந்து நான் 10 எடுத்திருக்கேன். அதனால இந்த relation வந்திருக்கு. x is equal to 25 meters. அப்போ so எனக்கு வந்து x எப்போ வருது? So here b வந்து அந்த collision point, that is a c point. b அந்த c pointக்கு வந்து 25 meters. அப்போ இங்க வந்து 40 minus 25 என்னது? Is 15 meters. Okay, remember a to c is 15. That means ground another collision point வந்து 15. Bottom top வந்து collision point வந்து 24. Okay, please take it. Any doubt, please let me know. And ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் மாதிரி இது பேஸ் பண்ணி கண்டிப்பா क्वेश्चंस வரும். Please don't skip it. எல்லா சம்ஸ் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. I'll share this PDF to you. Okay, before the test I'll share this PDF. And நீங்க வந்து நீங்க I'll give two tests. So நாளைக்கு வந்து நம்ம motionist item test வச்சுக்கலாம். And the same thing when we are discussing about the graphs discuss பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் again we will be having one more test. Okay, நாளைக்கு டெஸ்ட்ல வந்து no graphs. We'll try to clear all the sums till your acceleration due to gravity will be having your test. What are the PDF I'm discussing here? In the PDF வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்றேன். I'll share it to you. Please do solve it. Okay, with answers இருக்கு. எல்லாமே சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. Just take it, make it fast. The doubt in the let me know. Or
Sir, when will be the test be conducted, sir?
same thing. Pritham, you have your test today. Don't mix it. Don't forget that. Units and measurement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you I forget those two people's name. What are the names?
Sri and Sharu, sir.
Okay, so these guys are having tests. You three having tests on units and measurement. So
Okay.
the portal will start at 4 o'clock. Okay, 4 or 4:30. I'll let you know that. You attend the test. 30 questions only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right now. Right. Okay. We'll see next question here. Next question. Ningale try பண்ணுங்க. And this question is related to your fourth equation. Remember fourth equation. Fourth equation I told you, right? S nth term. Nth term and solve. Okay. Question number 34. Please take it. Question number 34. So in this question number 34, I'll read the question. A stone falls from a cliff and travels 24.5 meters. A stone falls from the cliff and travels 24.5 meters. Okay. In the last second, remember in the last second, okay. So before it reaches the ground, at the foot of the cliff, find the height of the cliff. Okay. And the last second, we are going to find the height of the cliff here. Okay. We'll try to understand that. Okay. And the Madri so when we are discussing about the nth term, last second, nth second, and the terms the relation is, I'll give the relation, Sn is equal to U plus G by 2. Here now the A by 2, but we are discussing about the gravity. So I take G by 2 into 2n minus 1. Remember it. Sn is equal to U plus G by 2 into 2n minus 1. Sn is nothing but your nth term displacement. U is your initial velocity. G is your acceleration due to gravity. N is your and the term. If it is third second, 3. If it is fourth second, 4. It is related to your duration, time period. Okay. So let's see the relations. Here, nth second answer data. So we need to find what is nth second. After finding the nth second, we are going to find the displacement. That is your height. We'll see one more. In the case and the nth second other distance travel last second work. So this one as 24.5. Okay, that is Sn is equal to 24.5. And the cliff the drop it is acceleration due to gravity positive. I take it as 9.8. Okay, and n I don't know. I need to find n here. So u on the initial velocity. On the initial it is at rest condition it is dropping. So u on the 0 plus 9.8 divided by 2 into 2n minus 1. Okay, so in this case, I am shuffle. So it is a 2n minus 1 is equal to your 24.5 divided by 4.9. So this is plus 1 and divided by 2. When you solve it, n is equal to your 3. Okay, if you solve this stuff in the relation you solve, you'll get n is equal to 3. Now you got n. N value and remember, and the n value this n is nothing but your time period. Okay, this is your time period. So t is equal to your 3 seconds. T is equal to 3 seconds. Remember it. When t is equal to 3 seconds, for the 3 seconds, what we need to find, we are going to find the maximum displacement it took. So S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is S here? S we need to find. S is equal to, what is initial velocity? U into 0 plus half G value 9.8 into your 3 square. So which is equal to, so the relation is your 44.1 meter. This is your displacement. Okay, please take it. Remember in the displacement and the nth term displacement. This is same கிடையாது. So don't get confused. In the relation in the relation வேற. அதனால நம்ம இந்த என்ன time period find out பண்ணிட்டு இதுல நான் substitute பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Okay, please do. Take it. Yes, correct. Just take it. Pritham, if you have any difficulty, please let me know. Rahul, Reena, Selvi, please do it.
Sir, is it 44.1, sir?
Yes, correct. Good. Super. Excellent. Rahul, doubt irka?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Good. So let's see one more question. Similar thing. Selvi, நீங்க ட்ரை பண்றீங்கன்னா ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கம்மா. டவுட் இருந்தா கேளுங்க. So let's see one more question. இதே மாதிரி question தான். And after this we'll do the graphs and all. இதை நீங்களே ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Okay. So question number 8. Question number 8. So a body dropped from high rest at a height of 150 meters and simultaneously another body is dropped from the rest from a point 100 meters above the body. What is the difference in heights after they have fallen? 2 seconds, 3 seconds. How does the difference in height vary with time? So அங்கே வந்து time periods கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We need to find the difference in heights. Okay, right. The doubt in the killing.
Sir, 10, sir.
Which one
Height.
10 ma?
Height difference.
Height difference 10 ah?
Yes.
No. No.
Sir, you should use the nth formula, sir. For this.
Nth formula, no nth formula, direct question man, this one.
Okay.
Why nth formula?
Sorry.
Direct question only. S is equal to, you have to take the relation. Nth term எப்போ வரும்னா when there are continuous changes. Okay, so n times வருது. Okay, last second, last but one, அந்த மாதிரி ரிலேஷன்ஸ் வரும்போது nth term அந்த next problem பார்ப்போம்.
Okay. Sir, is it 15, sir?
Is it 15?
Yeah.
Is it 15? 1-5. No, Pritham.
Yeah.
Either way, it's not correct. Just check it again. Okay, I'll solve this one. I'll solve this one. Just try to understand this question. So in this case, so I'll close this. First of all, we'll try to understand the data here. A body is dropped from rest. Remember, a body is dropped from rest. Okay, so rest condition. Okay, and at height of 150 meters, they have given the height here. Okay, so rest condition சொல்லும்போது we know that u is equal to 0. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. And they have given the height as well 150 meters. And acceleration due to gravity I take as 10 meter per second square. Okay, remove it. So here in this case, another body is dropped from rest from a point 100 meters above the ground. So 100 meters above the ground, 100 meters above the ground, there is one more object fallen. Let's see one by one. So here in this case, remember in this case, u is equal to 0, g இருக்கு, and the time taken for the first point. So time taken, t is equal to your 2 seconds. T is equal to 2 seconds. Okay. Now, so we'll see the relations. We need to find the distance, right? So s is equal to ut plus half gt square. And now it drop on some of the g on the positive here. S is equal to ut plus half gt square. Now we substitute the relation. U on the 0, half g on the 10 into time period t. T is equal to 2. That is your 4. T is equal to 2 seconds. Which is equal to it on the 2 times h. So displacement is 20 meters. Now Pritham, is it fine? Now
Yes, sir.
displacement is 20 meters. Now from the ground and சொல்லும்போது, the height from the ground and சொல்லும்போது, we have to find the difference here. So earlier height வந்து என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, I'll take the height h1 is equal to difference and சொல்லும்போது 150 minus 20 is equal to 130 meters. This is your first answer. Clear? Let's see the second case. Second case another t is equal to 3 seconds. Okay. So when t is equal to 3 seconds, sorry, before going to the t is equal to 3 seconds, இங்க வந்து downward direction இருக்கு. Second body இருக்குல்ல, downward direction. Same t is equal to 2 seconds for the displacement of 100 meters. அதோட difference நான் பார்க்கலாம். So again, g is equal to 10. So another s is equal to ut plus half gt square. And s is equal to ut plus half gt square. So s is equal to u வந்து இங்க 0 இருக்கு. Plus half into g வந்து 10 இருக்கு. Into your t square is nothing but your 4. So இது வந்து 2 times. So s is equal to 20 meters. Now இந்த difference பார்க்கும்போது h2 is equal to 100 minus 20 is equal to your 80 meters. Okay. For the time t is equal to 2 seconds, these are your two displacements. That is your heights. இதே மாதிரி t is equal to, remember t is equal to, you have to substitute 3 seconds. T is equal to 3 seconds. Then you have to find the relation again. அது நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Now in the ரெண்டு ஹைட்ஸோட difference வந்து again I need to find. How does the difference in height vary with the time? We are going to find the differences. We see that for this case, so h1 h2, h1 வந்து 130 meters, h2 வந்து 80 meters. I'm going to see the difference here. So I'll take the difference as h1 minus h2, that is equal to 130 minus 80 is equal to your 50 meters. The difference in heights are your 50 meters. Okay, same thing you have to done for the 3 seconds also. 3 seconds பண்ணாலும் same thing தான், same height difference தான். Okay, so if you see the time க்கு height க்கு there is no dependent. Okay, ஏன்னா constant தான் வரும். Time vary பண்ணாலும் height வந்து same answer தான் வரும். This is the thing. இது நம்ம பண்ணது வந்து இப்போ நான் பண்ணது வந்து time வந்து 2 seconds பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் இந்த கேஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். For you have to do take time t is equal to 3 seconds and solve it.
Sir, for the second one in t is equal to 2 seconds, ut minus half gt squared because it is going upward direction.
So it is not going upward direction. There are two objects, both are dropped actually.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
ஒரே டவுட் சார். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து 150 மீட்டர் ஹைட் ஃப்ரம் த கிரவுண்ட் சார். இப்போ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச 20 மீட்டர் அது என்ன சார்?
See, இப்போ மேல பாரு, a body is dropped from the rest at a height of 150 meter. ஒரு height வந்து நான் drop பண்ணிருக்கேன். Another object is dropped from the rest from a point of 100 meters above the ground. Above the ground. So ground வந்து above the ground 100 metersல ஒரு object drop பண்ணிருக்கேன். What is the difference in heights? இதோட height அதோட difference தான் நான் வந்து பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு?
ஓகே.
So 150 meters நான் drop பண்ணும்போது ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் drop பண்ணும்போது what is the displacement? 20 meters இருக்கு அதோட displacement. Okay, நான் வந்து difference எடுத்திருக்கேன். அதே மாதிரி 100 meters வந்து ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் drop பண்ணும்போது அதோட displacement என்னது? நான் வந்து 130 meters. That means நல்லா பாத்துக்கோ, clear-ஆ பாத்துக்கோ. They have given the time period. அந்த time period பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் நான் find out பண்றேன். So அது வந்து ஒரு height வந்து drop ஆகுறது total time period எனக்கு தெரியாது. அது வந்து drop ஆகும்போது t is equal to 2 seconds இருக்கு. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல வந்து what is the displacement in the portion? இது நான் வந்து இது சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன் பேலன்ஸ் போர்ஷன். அதே மாதிரி 100 மீட்டர்ஸ்க்கு இந்த போர்ஷன் t is equal to 2 seconds நான் வந்து பேலன்ஸ் போர்ஷன் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்றேன். இந்த ரெண்டு ஹைட்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, இந்த ரெண்டு ஹைட்ஸ் அகைன் நான் வந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது வாட் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் we are going to find it. இதே கேஸ் இப்போ வந்து ஆப்ஜெக்ட் நான் வந்து 150 மீட்டர்ஸ் வந்து டிராப் பண்றேன். டைம் t is equal to 3 seconds இருக்கு. அதோட ஹைட் நான் வந்து ஃபைண்ட் பண்றேன். that is a displacement. அதே மாதிரி 100 மீட்டர்ஸ்ல டைம் t is equal to 3 seconds. அகைன் நான் வந்து ஹைட் ஃபைண்ட் பண்றேன். அதோட டிஃபரன்ஸ் தான் அகைன் I am going to find. புரியுதா உனக்கு? டிராப் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு. சொல்லுங்க
சார். நம்ம டைரக்டா அதுக்கு 150 minus 115 கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஏன்னா ஹைட்
150 minus
100 டிஃபரன்ஸ் இன் ஹைட் தான் சார் கேட்டாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஆனா வித் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் டு
டைம் பீரியட் see அதுதான் அது வந்து நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணனும். so now we can see the relation. height க்கு டைம் பீரியட்க்கு there is no related here. now we can say that நீ வந்து நாளைக்கு இந்த மாதிரி क्वेश्चंस வரும்போது directly you can say that just difference the time period difference in the heights will get the answer. புரியுதா? so இப்போ நமக்கு we don't know what is the relation. so அந்த கொடுத்த क्वेश्चनக்கு வந்து so நம்ம வந்து ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஓகே சோ ஹைட்க்கு டைம்க்கு எந்த ரிலேஷன் இல்லைன்னா ஏன்னா வந்து t is equal to 2 செகண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அதே ஹைட் டிஃபரன்ஸ் t is equal to 3 செகண்ட்ஸ்க்கு அதே ஹைட் டிஃபரன்ஸ் சோ the final difference is 50 meters doesn't change. ஏன் t 5 ஆ இருக்கலாம் 10 ஆ இருக்கலாம் 50 ஆ இருக்கலாம் ஹைட் டிஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். புரியுதா?
Sir, for the second one, h1 minus h2, is it 50 meters, sir?
yes ma correct, both are same thing.
Okay, sir.
right so till this topic you will be having your test better. நான் இதுக்கு மேல நான் வந்து ரஷ் பண்ண கூடாது. motion is straight line வந்து try to complete till this topic. I'll share you the pdf. okay so வேணா pdf வேணா what are the books you have, try to refer those books better. okay try textbook base பண்ணி refer பண்ணுங்க. Preetham, you already have your textbook, try to solve it.
Okay, sir. Sir, if it's okay, can I write the test at 5:30, sir?
which one ma? Units and measurements sir?
Yes.
It's up to you. You can write it anyway. So you can write in any time also. No issues for me. Sorry. And tomorrow you'll be having your motion is straight line test till this topic. So Rahul, Reena, Haripriya and Preetham, any doubts? Any doubts ma?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So in the point வரைக்கும் தான் we'll be having your test. இதுக்கு மேல நான் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணிட்டு திரும்பி வந்து கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ண வேணாம். just go through the concept. textbook இந்த textbookல இருக்க sums எல்லாம் சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த pdf யாருக்கு வேணுமோ I'll share this pdf to you. but அதுக்கு தாண்டி வந்து நீங்க பண்ண கூடாது. okay remember it. so tomorrow we'll have next class. okay tomorrow 3 to 4 and we'll do some graphs. okay so fine. any doubts? if you have any doubts you people can stay or leave. okay right ma. so tomorrow we'll see them. okay and in the recordings வந்து நான் பண்ணிருக்கேன். I'll share this recordings too. okay right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.